If you've been waiting for a waterfront place in Jolly Harbour, but you don't want to pay fully renovated prices, this one might be your play. This is Villa 219G on the south finger of Jolly Harbour. A 2-bedroom waterfront villa with the kind of location that gives you options. And I'm going to frame this video the right way. This is not about perfect condition today. This is about potential and the kind of renovation that turns a rough starting point into a serious end result. Because the truth is, when you buy in a place like this, you're buying the position first and then you upgrade to lifestyle. Villa 219G is listed at $450,000 US. You've got 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Both bedrooms have an ensuite. Plus you have a guest bathroom downstairs and a storage room, which is a big win for practicality. The layout is open plan kitchen and living, and it flows through the sliding door straight out to the waterfront decking. And location wise, you're under a minute walk to the beach and about a 5-minute walk to the restaurant and the commercial centre. Alright, now is the fun part. If you renovate this villa room by room, you can turn it into a modern waterfront escape that feels way more premium than the price suggests. The key is simple. Spend money where it shows. Keep finishes consistent and upgrade the areas that change the feeling instantly. The kitchen, the bathrooms, the floors, lighting and the outdoor deck. Let's go room by room. The first thing that I would fix is the walk-in moment. Here's the plan. Fresh, bright paint, clean, modern lighting, warm, not harsh, and one consistent flooring finish that runs throughout the main level. Because the fastest way to make a home feel expensive is continuity. One look, one flow, and one clean lifestyle. This living room already has the right foundation. It's open, it's social, and it connects straight outside. How I'd elevate it? A clean feature wall behind the TV, wood slats, textured plaster, or even a modern coastal finish. New lighting, recessed spots, or a sleek track system, plus warm accent lamps. Do that, and this stops feeling like an older villa and starts feeling like a modern waterfront retreat. Upstairs bedrooms are where you sell comfort. This room becomes a clean suite with fresh paint in calm tones, updated flooring, built-in closet solutions, simple modern furniture, nothing bulky, keep it airy. The primary suite is the lifestyle cell. You've got the private balcony, so once this is refreshed, this becomes the morning coffee moment and the evening breeze moment. Renovation vibe here is simple. Calm coastal palette, statement headboard wall, better window coverings and a clean uncluttered layout. And then you step out and you remember why waterfront is always the goal. Now the deck. This is where you win, because this is the space people will live in. The vision here? Refresh the decking, create zones, dining zone and lounge zone, add a subtle outdoor lighting, comfortable seating, maybe outdoor bar corner. And then the big one. If you extend the deck, you multiply the lifestyle value instantly. This becomes the sunset drinks villa, the boat day then chill villa, the Airbnb guests never want to leave villa. So listen, Villa 219G isn't about perfection today. It's about position, layout and opportunity. You're on the south finger waterfront, close to the beach, close to amenities with an open plan design and a renovation path that's actually clear. If you want the details, want to view it or want to talk renovation strategy, reach out to Luxury Locations and ask about Villa 219G, because with the right upgrade plan, this one can turn into something special.